Want to flip houses with somebody else's money? Sounds like a great idea. Let's talk about it. 20 plus years ago, Leah thought the greatest thing to do was do one house at a time. Buy it, use her own money, fix it up, and then sell it. Until she got smart and she started using other people's money, and she started doing 2 houses at a time, then 5 houses at a time, then 10 houses at a time, now 15 houses at a time. And Jimmy says I'm not allowed to do more than that. So there's several ways that you can get your first deal funded. You can use a hard money lender. They're going to want to see you have a little skin in the game. You can use your own money. I don't recommend that. That was my own personal failure in this. For 14 years I did that, but you can't scale your business that way. Or you can use private money. So an investor is another person who has the money but doesn't have the deal. They want to fund your deal. They need to be protected too. They want to have a win-win. So they need to see, what are you buying it for? What's your contract price? They want to see a comparable market analysis. What is that house actually worth when you're finished? And they also need to see that scope of work, and it's got to be very detailed. What are you going to do to the property to make that property worth the number that you're trying to get to? They want to see your bio, what you've done, and how safe their money is in your hands. And lastly, they need to see some additional exit strategies. What happens if the market changes and you can't flip that house? So we take all of these components and we put them together in what we call a private lending package. My very first private lending package, I thought I was a champion. I simply sent them an email of what I had the house under contract for. I didn't even send the comparable market analysis. I just gave them my opinion of what it was worth and a number of what it was going to cost me to fix. It amazingly worked, but it shouldn't have. And now there's no way I would send that. So whatever you're gonna do to do that first deal, use your own money. There's no harm in that, but I did it for 14 years. Once you wanna grow and you wanna scale your business, you're gonna need to use private lending money. And in order to use that, you need a private lending package. So now that you know what a private lending package is and why you need it, click right here to put yours together.